What's up YouTube, it's Waveman Mike, and today we're back for another video. What's up YouTube, Alright, I'm about to be telling you the fastest way to get waves, or how to get waves faster, so stick around. Before we get this video started, everybody go hit that like button. Let's try to get at least 25 likes. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Alright, let's get into it. So, as you already might know, you may or might not know, products do not get you waves. What get you waves is brushing your hair. But products do assist you in your wave making process. So get you some greases or pomades, put them in your hair. They add hold to your hair, and that should help you out in speeding up the process of getting your wave. A good example of a good grease, 360 style pomade. Great product. Alright, so a way to get your waves faster is to Wolf. If you don't know what Wolfen is, I made a whole video on it. You can check it out. I'll probably leave like a card at like the top of the video somewhere. If I don't, then it'll probably be linked in the description. And if I don't need that, then you can just search up Waveman Mike Wolf. It's that easy. Alright, Wolfen helps out your wave making process basically because after you cut your wolf off, then your hair is going to be a lot better than it was before you wolf. That's really the best explanation that you're going to get for this video, because this is a short video, you know, it's not like a super long video. So yeah, if you want the full explanation about wolfing and everything like that, make sure to go check out my video on that. While you're wolfing, you want to comb your hair. I haven't made a video on the importance of combing your hair, so I'll probably make one of those soon. But yeah, make sure to comb your hair while you wolf, or even if you're not wolfing, just comb your hair, because especially comb your hair before you put your brush sessions in. You want to detangle your hair before you brush it. That way you get the most out of each brush session. The most obvious way to make your waves form faster is to brush your hair more. Sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background, they're doing construction outside. But yeah, the most obvious way to make your waves come faster is to brush your hair more. And there's different types of ways that you can brush your hair that will benefit you and speed up that wave making process. One way that's a really useful tip is to vertical brush. Instead of brushing hair like this, where you're holding the brush horizontal to your waves, you're gonna hold it like this, vertical. That way you get the full contact of all the bristles on your head. Another way is slow brushing, where you brush your hair, instead of just moving so quickly, just slow it down. That way you get the maximum pull and your hair is being affected for a longer period of time if you brush slower. I made a video on slow brushing also, so you can go ahead and check that video out too. After you slow down your brushing and do the vertical brushing, all that stuff, you finish combing, you finish brushing, you want to make sure your hair is laid down before you put on your do-rag. So you want to go ahead and get a plastic bag, and you want to brush or rub your hair with the plastic bag. That's called the plastic bag method. I made a video on that. You can check that out too. But yeah, you can check out that plastic bag method video. Basically it's just getting a plastic bag, rubbing it on your hair, and it actually really helps. Like, a lot of people don't think it helps as much as it does, but that's because they haven't tried it out. It's really like one of the best, if not the best, method you can do for your waves. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.
Thank you for watching me at Waveman Mike. If you want to check out more of my videos, there'll be links in the description, and you can go follow me on Instagram. Make sure to go hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my new videos. Enjoy your day.